Hello and welcome to Spindy's Angel Update. If you're a pensioner and have been living under a rock, you might have not heard of Spindy's challenges. Spindy's challenges introduce many new ways to improve and progress through pensioning. I've had many people thank me because they've improved so much just from these challenges existing. Spindy's Angel Update introduces new angel roles as well as 2 level 5 roles. The first angel role, Angel Tech, requires you to copy a linkage by 9. The next one, Angel Power, requires you to copy this linkage by me. The next one, Angel Hands, needs you to complete any type of 2-handed interlaced twirl, fall to rise, or rise to fall, one spinning clockwise and another spinning counterclockwise with all fingers and no pauses. The next one, Angel Pens, requires you to copy Void's World Cup 22 Round 4 2-pen 1-hand section. The final angel role, Angel Fingers, needs you to make a one-handed link shorter than 8 seconds that has 2 different O finger crosses, one with threading, and a 4 finger cross to beat my basic finger cross combo. Overall, I think the angel roles are somewhat harder than the demon roles. Now onto the new level 5 roles. First we have Demon Lord, which as the name suggests, is Lord of all demons. To get this role, you need to have all demon roles as well as professional role collector. And when you get this role, you lose your demon roles and your professional role collector, and you cannot earn them again. Now the next level 5 role is known as Archangel. This is when you get all angel roles as well as professional role collector. This works similarly to Demon Lord, in that you cannot get any more angel or demon roles. When getting one of these sets your path in stone. You cannot be both Archangel and Demon Lord. You must choose one or the other. That being said, when you get Demon Lord, you lose all of your angel roles, and when you get Archangel, you lose all of your demon roles. Basically, both Demon Lord and Archangel work like professional role collector, but instead of being neutral, you actually choose a side. Thanks for watching. See you next time.